was, I think, there for 6 months. I had a very great batch mates in study point. So I think I learned a lot there. Not only the English, maybe to speak and how to showcase yourself in front of the people, or maybe how to be confident. That thing I have learned from there, and I truly believe, and I already shared this with sir as well. So there are two sirs who made my life like this. So because of them only today, whatever I am doing, so that I could do. One is Deepak sir, and another is my one more coaching class sir, Bhaskar sir. So I'm very grateful to both of them, because I was from a Bengali medium school. So maybe I was good enough in the grammar, because that was okay. But I could not speak anything in English. Whenever anyone is speaking something, I was like, oh my God, what to speak, how to speak, and people will judge me. But eventually, when I went there and I started talking to the people, and talking to my friends only, because in our class we never had any kind of sessions or any lessons, nothing. It was only about that we just used to speak about some topic, maybe we will be fighting, and these things only we have done in the class. So that is all my experience. So what do you all, if anyone wants to talk to me, just you can go ahead.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You can call me Sonu.
Yes. I am Shaheen Azaz.
Okay.
And yes, now I am studying in MCA. So I want to know that about your experience in the interview.
Okay. So see, I am also from BSc Computer Science background. Okay, but I am in the pharmaceutical right now. So basically, in the interview part, if you can see, whatever I have seen till time is more of how you are showcasing yourself in front of one person, because interview will only go in that way. See, if there is some question that what is your name, or tell me about yourself. So whenever you are saying about yourself, and the main thing which you will focus into, that the next question will come from that only. So I think you are the person who can what to say, guide that in which topic you want to speak in the interview. And most important is, I think, the communication skill, which is very important nowadays, because people will judge you how you speak and how you will represent yourself in front of the people. So that is one thing I think very important, that you should be in a professional manner, and very I think professional things we should do. So that is important.
Okay.
And one more thing is, I think in terms of your studies, or what you are reading right now, those things are okay, because people will ask you your subject oriented things, they will ask. But the things they will ask, that what you are doing, or what is your strength or your weaknesses, or how you are seeing the things. Maybe they want to know your point of views. That is, I think, also very important. So that is the thing I have seen, because when I was I was very scared in initial of my career, because I was not able to speak in English. In fact, I remember I went to take admission in a college. So that was in Joka, in Kolkata only. So there was some kind of a group discussion was going on, and they asked me to speak something about the women empowerment, and I was like blank that what to speak, because I cannot speak in English that time. So I was very afraid, and I was just feeling very low, that oh my God, what I have to speak, and I will be rejected from this one. So I think that time I felt bad. But one thing is that when I joined here, and I got a very good group of students, and Deepaks are always and there were some girls who were very used to fight with me also. I
A
remember
lot of
Shaima.
many fighters were there.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Today
you
she is the
used to
doctor.
give
Saima,
some.
you named Saima. Today she is a.
Yeah, Shaima. Great. She's in Bangalore, I think,
Yes,
right now,
yes,
na?
yes, yes.
Yes. So she used to be there. She will be always fighting with me. No, 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 no. You are. How could you say like this? She will be speaking in like this with me. So, but it was like a very controversial topic. The sir will give. So and then people will just like he will divide us in two groups that you will be in you will speak in positive and you will speak negative about it, and then people will start, no, 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 you cannot say like this and like this. But only thing was, the rule of study point was that time that whatever you are doing, you do, but you have to speak in English. So that is the rule I think I followed, and whatever I can speak right now is I think from there only. So and after that, when you are joining any company, you are meeting with people, you are seeing how they are talking to you, or maybe what is the environment there, and from there also you get to learn so many things. Because in books we can only learn about the maybe language and how to make a sentence, but if you see the practical life is little bit different. So you can learn from them also, who is there around you. So I think that is the thing.
Yes, sir, I am Indira. Can I ask any question?
Yes, you can, please. Yeah.
If you will go out of India, that time also, how can you express yourself confidently? You can speak in English in front of them. You have a meeting, you have lots of work. That time also, how can you speak confidently in front of them?
First thing is I have not visited any international place right now, but I am working in a company which is based at New York. So in that case, I need to speak to some of my colleagues who are staying out of India. Okay. So that is the reason I am speaking, but it is not about about the to whom you are speaking. I think it is, you no need to speak. Suppose you are talking to a person who is from USA, so there is no need of talking that accent also. You have your own things, right? And I think talking in English in a normal way is very okay. Who is there in front of you, that doesn't matter. You only have to think that what you want to say, isn't it? Suppose you are in front of because every country will have their own type of accent, so that we cannot inherit from them. I mean, just like that if you want to learn, then that is a different thing. You have to learn it from maybe some courses or something, but basic English which we are speaking in everyday's life. So I think that is important. And I think more than the grammar or this part, I think the confidence that yes, I will speak, and people, if they are judging also, that doesn't bother me. If that thing you can accept, and you can just start speaking without thinking about what they are. You may speak something wrong. Maybe I am talking right now, maybe I am also speaking something which is grammatically not correct. Okay, but that doesn't matter. If you can express yourself, and basic English you can speak. Definitely you have to learn how to speak and what should be used after this word or that word. But the confidence that you want to speak is more important, I think, because that is something which can save you from all the negativities. That if I speak this, if I'm saying anything wrong, people will think something. Maybe you are wrong today, but once you start speaking, you will learn from all the places. You will learn from your friends, your colleagues, and everybody around us. Because see, most of us we are not coming from a background where our parents speak in English, isn't it? They don't. So because of that reason, we see this language as a foreign language only. But when we are speaking in our mother tongue, we don't think about these things now, that whether I'm saying anything correct or wrong. So reason is, this is new for us. So maybe for that reason, and we are not speaking in this language from our childhood. So maybe for that reason, there is some issue. But if you are planning and if you want to speak now, then definitely you can. And only thing you have to do it is you don't need to think about the people around you initially when you're speaking. You can just speak. If anything wrong also, you can rectify and you can just start again.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Indira.
Hello, Sonudeep.
Hello.
Hello, yes. I am Abhishek Mukherjee and I live in Asansol. So I have a
Hi.
question. Yes.
Yeah.
So I have a question that I don't have any friend circles who speaks English. So how can I improve my spoken English without any friend circles? Because how to speak in English, how to learn English by alone? My question is this.
See, you have to talk to someone to learn English at least. See, you can learn it from the books also, but that will not help you in terms of when you are speaking anything. Okay, so
Yes.
I think it is important that you make a group. Maybe you are I don't know whether you are in school or college. So
Yes,
wherever
I'm in
you
college
are,
and
you are in college, right? So I think my opinion will be, you can make a small group in your college. Okay, maybe not a group also. If you wanted to speak, right, but you are not able to because you don't have that kind of company right now.
yes,
But
yes.
what you can do is you can find someone maybe who is also interested to speak. So you can find like this 1-2 people and you can just talk about some matter. It can be Shah Rukh Khan, or it can be any political person, or it can be anything, any topic. It can be Facebook as well as, I think it can be Instagram as well. Maybe you're talking about some film, or you're talking about any cricket match. I think that is a thing. You can just talk that, see, today's match was like this, and this cinema was like this, or maybe some new scientific something has come. So that also, it is all about, it doesn't matter in which topic you are talking. It's all about that you are talking something, and you're talking in a language which is you are learning now. And I think that it is important to have a partner to talk in English, because see, that is a great platform you are getting in Study Point, because you are getting some friends who also, they are also in the same platform, and they
Yes.
also wanted to learn the same thing. But you are here maybe for an hour and maybe weeks in a week, 3 days. But
Yes.
if you can get someone who can talk to you, maybe your brother or sister, somebody from your family, maybe in your age, or any cousin brother, or any of the friend who is there in the college, or maybe in the school with you. So if and it is not about chatting. Yeah, I'm not talking about WhatsApp chat or something. That is not going to help, I think, because till that time you're not speaking, you will see. I faced the issue while talking is that lack of vocabulary, because I was very weak. Like in our mother tongue, we don't need to think that after this word what we have to put, but in English we will be like blank. We will be clueless that which word I should put here to complete this sentence. Okay, so that is also very important. You increase your vocabulary. I think Deepak sir is already providing a lots of words and all these things were there that in our time. So I think from that you can learn the words, that what word you can use, and then you have to start talking. You just speak and talk to your friends. I think that will help you.
Okay. So, ma'am, I have one more question.
Yeah.
That whenever I stand in front of a person who knows English better than me, on that time I am getting nervous. So this is my personal problem. So how can I overcome of this problem?
No, this is not your personal problem. This is everybody's problem. Okay, so whenever you are there in front of someone who knows
Yes.
everything more,
Yes.
something which is more than you, and you know that, you
Yes,
will
yes.
feel uncomfortable, isn't
Like
it?
example in
So,
front
like
in front
like
of
I
you.
am telling
Yes.
you now my situation. See, Deepak sir is there and I am just speaking, so I am also thinking maybe I am speaking something wrong.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is also there. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, 100%.
So isn't it the
So
same
to
scenario which
remove
he is
that kind
talking?
of fear, we are having this kind of session.
Yeah, so that is the thing. Right now, also, if sir can identify how many wrong English I have spoken real time. So if I think like this, that no, if I speak what sir will think, then I will ask him, sir, you can leave the meeting. I will be there. I will talk to them, and whatever I speak, it doesn't matter whether I'm saying correct or wrong. But it all about that, the initial confidence you have to build, and initially you have to be, shameless, that whatever he is thinking, let him think. At least
Okay, okay.
the thing is that you only need to focus on your improvement initial days, because your intention is to now learn. That start, maybe not today, after 2-3 years also you will speak good. Then nobody will remember 3 years back how you said, what wrong things you how, in fact that is same with the life also. When you are in the correct path, nobody will remember what you have done in your past, isn't it? So that period will be tough only. So I think that is important, that you start. You have to think that whatever people are thinking, I will not think. I will just read and I will try to implement that in my words. So that is the thing. And if you need any guidance, anything, sir is always there to help you out. Okay, you can learn that this is the thing, how I need to frame a sentence, and then you can just use it. You can make new sentences. You can start talking. I think mirror is a good option to speak. When I joined any company also, have our products, and then they are also suggesting that us that you read and you speak in front of the mirror, so you can understand how you are looking also when you are talking to someone. What is your body language as well. It should be also good, na? It is like, I am very happy, but I am saying like I am very happy. So it is also like that, people will understand that, oh, she is not at all happy, she is just saying. And it's not WhatsApp chat, na, where you can put an emoji or something. You have to what to say, your expressions are important. In case of interviews, I am telling how you are talking, what is your body language, everything is important. But most important is that you have to have confidence on yourself, that it's okay, right now I don't know, but I will learn and I will understand, and it will sometime, I mean one day it will come that I will able to speak also. See, from me you can see at least some, I mean little bit also I'm talking, so you can at least try to be like this also. That will also help you out, no problem. And I think talk to your friends, that will help you.
Okay. Thank you, Sonu.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
am I asked one question to you?
Yes, please.
How can I improve my self-spoken English in school life? I am in class 11.
Okay. So you're in which school?
UGM Girls High School.
Oh, you are from my school only. So we all are this Mohila Kollam people. Okay. So see, if you are from that school, what I can tell you is you will be very strong in grammar, at least. That I believe, because we only have problem that we don't have friends to speak in school. And most important is in case of schools now, this kind of fear will be there, that the friends will say, hey, she is saying something wrong. Okay, so that kind of thing will be there. But I think in your case, if you don't get any school student, because I don't know about your friends, if somebody is there to support you, then definitely you can take help. Or else I think you can go ahead with this group only. Your group, you have 15 16 students here also. You can take advantage of this, I think. And I think this is the only thing you can do right now, because I think for that reason you are good that you have already joined Study Point, because I joined very late, because I joined after my graduation. So I think you are already here, so you can improve a lot if you are continuously talking to the people, na? But important is that your engagements, if you are not speaking in that one, then it is your you are not going to get anything from this. I remember just one experience I'll share with you. I have one friend, she was also there in study fund. Deepak sir, you remember her? So she was also there, and she never used to speak anything. She will be quiet, she will be shy. Sweetie sir.
Yes. She is still in my contact. Yes.
Okay, yeah. She is there in the this one also. No, she has not joined. No, she is a student till time here, study point.
No. She is in my contact. Okay. Sometimes she.
Okay, yeah. So that is the thing. She used to be very shy. She will be Deepak sir.
And she was really very good at grammatical things. She was very
very good. Yes. She was also from this school only. Okay, we all were from this school only. So she was very strong. But she is having that kind of shy nature, na? We will be pushing. Sweetie, you speak now. What is your opinion in this matter? Deepak sir will say, and she will be like, she will see at me and she will be speaking like, what should I say now? Then I said, you say anything, whatever you want. And she will be like, okay, but this is not going to help. This if you will be like this, then you cannot, because the kind of support you are getting now, maybe from your parents, from your family, because there will be one time in your life, then you will be alone. Okay, you have to manage everything by yourself, whether you are a girl or a boy, doesn't matter nowadays. You have to manage everything, whether you are here or maybe in some other state or maybe in other country. So only thing you have to think right now that I have got this opportunity now, these years, because if you will be crossing your 21, 22 and like this, na, then your time will also not be enough. Because if you are already in school or college, then you have good time to read and, to implement also. That is, I think.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello, Shati. Yeah, good evening.
Yes, ma'am. I'm second year student in Asansol Engineering College. Ma'am, I have a question. If any candidate weak in English, if he or she get better chance in job, ma'am.
In job, okay. See, I think in your in case of jobs, na, interview is the only place that there you need really good English to just pass that. Because most of the jobs which we are doing in daily basis, if it is not something call center kind of thing, then I think we are not using English that much in our daily life. Because see, I belong from a company which is based at Mumbai right now, and head office is New York. So maybe in the meetings we are talking in English, and we are when we are meeting in a place we are talking. But in our day-to-day life we don't use English in our work also. Okay, but the important thing about English is to get that job you have to speak in English, because nowadays this will define you. How you are speaking, how you are talking, and how you are presenting yourself is very important. So that is a thing. And in case of engineering, it is very important, I think, because the for the jobs you will go, for the companies you will go, they will not allow you if you cannot speak in English. Because maybe today you will handle a unit which is not based at only India, and if it is India also, it may be all the people from India who don't know the language, like somebody from south, somebody from north. So English is a language everybody knows, right? So for that reason, I think it is very important for you also. Very important for you, because one of my sister is she is an engineer. So I remember so she said that in the interview, the girls or boys who were from the English medium, they got the job very easily. Maybe they don't. It is not like that they know more than you. Maybe not. But in case of interview, presentation is very important. that if you are talking good, then the first impression on you will be good, that yeah, this person is good. So for that, I think English is very, very important. Okay, and it should not be like, you have read something and you're going and just speaking that is not going to help. You just have to think that what are the normal things you speak in a day. Like you are going for a walk, or maybe you are seeing a TV show, or what is happening in your daily life. If you can speak these things now, if you can make sentences of these normal things which we are saying in a daily basis, maybe you're asking your mom to give you food, or your brother to switch on the fan or something. If these small lines which we use daily now, those things if you are trying to say, then you can yourself can frame any sentence, and you can speak anything. It doesn't matter that you have to be that in that same topic. It is not required. But what is important is you just start saying those things which you speak in your regional language, maybe in your mother tongue. Those things you try to just convert and you try to speak. I think that is going to help. And for you, it is very important in terms of interviews. It is very important nowadays. I don't think without English they will allow you to enter also. If if you're a topper also, they won't allow, because you will not able to communicate with the people across the world, across the country. That is very important.
Many thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shati.
Hello, ma'am. I am Vishnu.
Hi, Vishnu. Good evening.
Ma'am, I read in class 10. So my question, what should we do if we want to do something in our life?
Okay. So for now, I think it's important that you focus on your studies. Okay. Because class 10 is you are from which board?
WBSC.
Okay, fine. So after 10 you will be choosing your subjects. So it is totally depending on you. Okay, so what you want to become, because initial days of our life, maybe in class 1, class 2, everybody will say I'll be a doctor, I'll be a teacher, or something like that. But it is, I think that is not going to happen to all the people, isn't it? So I think by class 10, you have now understanding about yourself, that in which subject you are good at. If it is maths, or you're good in science, then definitely you can go ahead with science stream. Okay, so I think class 10 is a place where you can take I think that your whole life is going to be decided on this decision, that whether you're going in a science or commerce or arts. So it is depending on your capacity, you have to select, okay, first of all. And then it is like a step-by-step only thing. But the only thing is, important thing is, it is not like that, it depends on the people to people, okay. Some people are there who will be reading all the day. And some people will be there, they will read only few hours and they will just complete. So it is, you are the only person who knows you better, right? That how much it is required for you. So, and now it is a challenge of these virtual classes. Students are not seeing faces of other friends also. So that is also a kind of, I think, issues which has happened just now. It is started. But I think in class 10, you have to focus that in which subject you are good. Okay, and what you want to be. If you are good in suppose commerce, then you can just choose that line. You can complete your 12th. After that, you can just select a stream, that whether you want to go for a BBA or for any kind of law or anything. So that is important. But I think class 10 and class 12 is a base of any study, which whatever you want to learn. And this is the platform also it is required for you to improve your grammar part, because that is something you are not going to get in your next phase of life. Because whenever you will be in class in your college life, that time you will not get time also to read the grammars properly. So I think this is the base time for you. Right now you focus on your studies, and most importantly in case of English, you have to speak in English, that is true, but most important is right now that you read the grammars properly. You try to frame the sentences, you try to know the things which is important to frame a sentence. I think this is important for you right now in this time.
Thanks, ma'am. I understand.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
My name is Sukhendu Pain.
Hello, Sukhendu.
If you don't mind, may I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
How can we get information regarding vacancies in private sector?
Informations, right? So informations really you can get from your college, maybe through campusing you can get. And I think it is very easy to get the information once you are already into that field. Okay, like when you want to just start, when you're a fresher, that time it will be a little bit challenging, isn't it, to get a job? But once you are already in a job, that time you can get a better opportunities as well. But one thing is, right now we have lots of websites, they are posting job offers. So I'm not sure how much that is correct or fraud, that I'm not talking about. But yeah, some websites are there who are sharing some good this one as well, opportunities of this jobs. So I think that you can follow, you can just check. Right now social media is also very important. There are a few job vacancies which are posted in social media as well. You can follow up, you can follow those pages who are sharing those opportunities, those vacancies. You can get it from there, or anybody who is already there in that segment or in that industry. You can ask from them also if they are aware of anything that can help. I think those are the things you can do to get upgrade.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, according to you,
Hello.
which...
Hi, Shaheen. Yeah.
Yes, Shaheen, it's me.
Yes. Hi, Shaheen.
Yes, ma'am, according to you, which job is better? I mean, private job or government job? What do you suggest? I mean, in 2021.
See, if you talk about the job security and these things, always it is a government job. Okay. So that everybody wants a government job because of the job security, and your life will be secured if you can get a maybe central government or state government job. That is always better. But right now we have to think in a practical manner that if is it possible to get government job, means it is definitely, because so many I think lots of students are there, they keep on trying and waiting, and they're getting also. That is also true. But it depends on the priority of that person. See, because if I talk about my experiences, my parents, they were telling me that to try for a government job. Okay. But I never had that kind of patience that I'll wait for 3-4 years. And due to some reasons, I didn't get that opportunity also. Okay. I was very much... I was like, I need a job now. Okay, I completed my graduation in 2017, and I joined after in October itself. I joined a company. So this is like, it's all about what you want. If you want to join a government job, then definitely you have to try hard for it, because it is not easy to get it in nowadays. And so that's why if you want to, initially it is 2 choices, which one you want. If you want a private job, then you have to prepare yourself for that way, whatever stream you are in. So you have to go to that segment, and you have to search for those jobs. Okay. And if you want to go for a government job, then you have to be strong in maths, reasoning, and GK. You have to prepare on that basis. So it is always good to get a government job. Okay, that is my belief. That I am doing a private job, and I am not saying that private job is also bad. If you are working for some company, they are paying you, and if you can save for your future also, that is also you can do.
I am not doing a master degree, but I always apply on the basis of graduation. to gain some knowledge about examination and interview process. So is that okay?
Yes. See, till the time you are not completing your masters, you are not eligible for any job which is requiring masters, isn't it? So you are right now you are just appearing. So your maximum degree is graduation only for now. Okay, so that time you can definitely go ahead for the jobs which is for the graduation.
Ma'am, is that okay to appearing in this type of examination during my studying?
Yes, you can. See, in case of government job, there is no harm. You can definitely apply for lots of interviews to increase your knowledge. But at this point of time, maybe in some time, so many people are not saying that. I'm not talking about you, but suppose you have worked for 2-3 years in a company, and now you are looking for a change, and you are continuously searching for a job, and you are just appearing for interview. That is fine. But some cases we have also seen that we have given the interview, we have appeared, and we have passed also, then we didn't join. So that is also one bad thing that you should not do, because once you are really wanted to change anything, then only you should go ahead. But go with some preparations, okay? Because I think just like that, if you're going and just coming back, that is not going to help. And take, I think, take lesson from your interviews. See, it is not required that everybody will ask you the same questions, but there will be some pattern, that you could not answer maybe in the last interview. So I think those are the common questions also you can prepare by your own. And that too, it should not be like, you have read something and you're going and you're speaking. It should be relevant what you're speaking and what the interviewer also is talking. So this is the way I think you can just prepare and you go. Then what will help now? Your preparation will also, you will feel confident that now I'm confident to get a job. So that is going to help you.
Certainly this was a good experience sitting with Sonu.
Yes, sir. I was trying to join this session from so long, but because of these virtual things now, it is like anytime somebody will call and they say, hey, there is a meeting, you just join, and I will be like, okay, joining. So this is the thing. So I could not confirm you from one day back also, that because I was thinking that if I say that, sir, I'll join, and if I cannot, that is not good, na. So that's why I was so interested to join. But somehow finally a good day today is I could join. So I'm very happy. In fact, I'm going to Asansol also in maybe 1-2 days. So I will try to visit your new center also, which I have not seen yet.
So what about all the candidates? I think you must be happy that yes, you have got the practical, so whatever the experience she has faced, she shared with us, and we people have got a lot of experience from her. This was a nice session. I hope that some other day again we'll try to sit with Sonu.
Sure, I will be very happy.
Chit chat.
I will be very happy. In fact, I really miss those, debates and this fighting. Those were the golden days for me. I used to enjoy a lot, the topics which I used to prepare. That group was very good. So
most
we
of
were
the
like,
candidates are well settled.
Yeah, actually we were, I think, there for 6 months maximum.
Yes.
But in that only we could we just enjoyed that session. And I never used to bring any pen and copy also for just for the students. I'm telling, we never used to open also that. We will just speak that. And there was one person called Pintu. So first day he took my interview also. So what is your name and from where you are coming? And I was so scared. Oh my God, why he is talking like this? But I think that in the first session itself, when I entered, you also were not there, and he was sitting like this. What's your name? Okay. What are you doing now? From where you are coming? Like this. And I was like, but I had that feeling now that I have to speak. Whatever he is telling, I was just answering. So like this, it started. So somehow I improved. I think, sir, you can only tell me whether I have improved or now. I am also not that good. But
Certainly, because of that, you have been called to share your experience with the candidates so that they may also understand.
Yes.
Just a little bit interested with that I want to be a good.
Yes.
Then certainly we can.
Yes. Yes. And good part is, sir, that in our daily life, we are not getting that kind of partner to speak.
Certainly.
That is a challenge.
Yeah,
You
this
know
was the
how
question of
I
Abhishek
used to-
also. Especially whenever we are very weak at speaking, and after that
Yeah.
we got the flow, we got the fluency, and we started speaking. Then certainly this is a kind of satisfaction in us.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's why I said to them also that you are spending maybe 1 hour here, but you have a lot of time with your talking to your
Yes.
friends. So
Certainly.
in that time, if you are also speaking, that will definitely help you.
Yes.
And
certainly.
you fight with each other, yaar, and speak in
Yes.
English. So that will also
Whether right or wrong, don't think. Just go.
Don't think.
Enjoy. Language
Just
means
speak.
a kind of enjoyment. If a little child
Yes.
hidden, no, you cannot speak now because you will make a lot of grammatical mistakes. So
Yes.
how to speak now? So the child will never be able to use.
Never.
So this is the system of language. Start speaking.
Yes.
Some mistakes will, and after that you will start understanding. Okay, this mistake is there. This mistake is there. I'm not.
Yes.
We should not use grammar. But whenever we are thinking that yes, this is my mistake, so we should try to learn. We should try to
Learn.
simplify that. That is the system
Yes. Yes.
of language.
Definitely. I think that is the system of whole life also, sir.
Yes.
Whenever
certainly.
you are facing some issue, you should learn something about that. This is not going to happen with me. This is not right for me. And what is the right we can gain, and we can just go ahead with that.
Certainly.
I think that is good.
Okay. So thank you very much, Sonu.
Thank you
everyone
so
for this
much.
session. Bye. Hope
Thanks
to
a
see you
lot.
again.
Thanks a lot to all of you for talking to me. And definitely, again, I will be connecting someday. I don't know when, but definitely
Yes.
I'll try to connect. And if possible, I'll see you also physically when I'll be there in Asansol. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night.